Alright guys, welcome back to Dragon Armory Airsoft. I'm Copperhead and today we're playing with the sawed-off, double-barreled combat shotgun. Unfortunately, this airsoft gun is rather difficult to play with. Therefore, to make this gameplay, I had to play with the gun on several different occasions to get this amount of action to create a gameplay, because kills are what makes a good video. And if you guys want to see why this gun is so difficult to play with and why it took so long to make a gameplay on it, go ahead and check the link below or the link up in the right to the video on where we explain why it's such a terrible weapon. But let's get into the game and see some awesome combat shotgun action.
No, don't go! We didn't say ready! No, I didn't! Go! Oh my stars, I hate this! 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 Alright, I need some cover fire.
Which direction?
Forward position.
My least favorite position.
Unfortunately, in this one I had to switch to my backup camera, which has terrible audio and okay video. But in this next one, I blow all my BBs into a guy's finger, so there's going to be some pain in this one.
No, not yet. Don't go. Don't go, John. Okay, it worked! It worked! It worked! I hope we got that.
This last rush of the day almost went bad, because when I pulled the first trigger on the shotgun, it failed to fire. Thankfully, the second shell worked, and I blew it all into this guy's finger. And as I spun around the corner, the other guy was unable to get his magazine out of its pouch and load it into his pistol before I shot it. I was so elated that it worked, I just had to scream my head off, because this gun actually worked when I needed it to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Copperhead, signing out.